Hey, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. I just touching base with you. We have completed our leak test, and so I'm going to go ahead and empty the tank now. It's been sitting for several days, and there has been no water that has shown up along any of the edges. The cardboard has stayed dry below, and this area over here in this corner where we had found water the other day, I'm suspecting was from condensation. So we're gonna go ahead and empty this and get it ready to finish touching up on some of the areas that got dinged when it was being moved around. There's a couple little spots on the corner that need touched up, so we're gonna do that, and then this project is complete. So thanks for sticking with me. I've got a siphon here that is an aquarium siphon. We're gonna go ahead and get that put in there and get it started so that it can start. And it's got a suction cup, which actually is pretty helpful. You can stick it to the side of the glass to keep it from moving around while you're emptying the tank. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. You need to squeeze the bubble for about 5 or 6 times to get the water to start flowing. Oh, there we come. There it comes. Starting to come. Gotta get all that air out of the line so that it'll just keep flowing in a nice steady stream. And as you can see, it's starting to come there. But we still got a bit more to get it to keep flowing.
There's a guy coming.